Peanuts are so addictive, isn't it? I simply love them. But have you thought about peanuts ever? So you get peanuts at several places, maybe at a railway station or at a traffic junction or maybe at a bhel wala. But the point is, peanuts are available at different prices at different places. Perhaps the reason is that customers who are available at these points are also different, and that's why the same product is being offered at different prices. Let's take another example. We all love to drink tea, isn't it? But the point is, we have tea at different places as well. For example, you have a cup of tea at the hotel or maybe at a roadside vendor. Now, at all these places, the prices of tea also changes. It varies from place to place. One of the reasons is also because that people who are drinking tea are drinking it for different reasons. When you drink a cup of tea at your office or your workplace, you're drinking tea just because you want to spend some time while you're having a meeting. When you drink a cup of tea at the roadside, you just want to have some good time sipping a cup of tea. If you're sipping tea in a hotel, perhaps you could be in a client meeting. So the purpose of having tea is what makes it so delightful. But the point here is that customers who drink tea at different places are different. And that also has an impact on the kind of service that you get and also the price at which you get this service. Now, the reason I'm asking these questions because these things also have a lot of grip on the way you think about your customers. So have you thought about your customers really, really well? Let's say, for example, you want to become an electrician. Now, for an electrician, it's important to identify his potential customers. So who would be a customer for an electrician? It could be existing households who are looking for maintenance services of their electricity wirings. It could be the buyer of a new flat. It could also be a real estate developer or perhaps a contractor. So the customers for an electrician would be different and they would vary. But it's important for the electrician to know his customers really well. Because if he doesn't know them, then he can't service them. He can't provide them with the kind of expectations that they have. So it's important whether you're an electrician or you're someone selling cosmetics or for that matter, any other product or service. Know your customers really, really well. So get back to your dream book and jot down these important questions. Do I really know my customers well? Where would these customers come from? What are their expectations? And most importantly, what can I do to keep them really, really happy? I'm sure if you look at these questions, you would help your customers be really happy. Till then, arise, keep winning.